What's up, everybody? This is Steven Sekilla bringing another reaction video. Today is epic as fuck, because guess what? You guys haven't seen him. You've seen Jacob, but you haven't seen my other friend, the motherfucker that's also in my banner. This guy right here. Be right back. Alright, what's up, guys?
That's been a while.
Yeah. You guys have not seen him in one of my reaction videos since... Let's see. The John Cena prank call video.
Oh yeah, that was
that was at least 5 months ago.
Yeah.
That was before I was popular and I had almost 3,000 subscribers.
Yeah. Definitely have changed.
Yeah, it's been a long time. I've been giving him updates, but he's had his own issues and his own problems and his own things, so that's
basically,
why.
Just school. Lots of freaking school.
Also, he's recently got a girlfriend. Alright, so today's video is something I haven't done before. We are doing kind of a montage of anime funny things that this guy made, apparently a bunch of them, and a couple of people requested on Twitter. I don't know if I'll be able to find the tweets or something, but I remember 2 or 3 people messaged me saying, hey, how about you try reacting to these kind of videos? So I was like, what better way to kickstart it than laugh with my good friend Bobby?
This better be funny.
I hope so. I would be very disappointed if this is not funny. Like, these are your earbuds. Are you prepared?
No,
Is your butt? Is your butt? I can't say it. I was gonna say something funny, but I guess not. Whatever.
Is your butt properly clenched?
That's exactly what I was trying to say. Fuck you. You said it right. All right, we're going to enjoy this video right now.
Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? 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 Damn it!
Oh my god, are you okay?
Here we go.
Yeah, we can recognize that easily. That's like the guy's icon for his channel. That character.
I'm the king of the world!
Something's gonna happen. Oh, boobs. What? Random boobs.
It's been 84 years.
Kids, huh? It's ringing.
What the fuck?
Don't you think that's a little wrong? You can't put somebody out of business just because you're jealous. I'm not jealous. What does he have that I don't have? Aside from the fangirls, and the pretty hair, and those gorgeous green eyes. Don't forget my sweet ass. Yeah, and a sweet ass, but other than that, he's got nothing.
What's going on with Ari's broomstick?
Oh my god!
It's Snape. He's jinxing the broom.
Why do they look like Attack on Titan characters?
You may be wondering why the red suit. Well, that's so bad guys can't see me.
Oh my god, Deadpool!
This guy's got the right idea. He wore the brown pants.
Daddy needs to express some rage.
Oh my god, that works so well if you know the anime. She's a zombie. Holy shit. What the fuck?
Yeah. Groove.
Wow, that music goes really well with how he's dancing.
I'll kill you!
And now you're going to die.
What?
How?
My nigga. Yo.
Look at Randy Orton slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Oh, we got RKO'd!
Still waiting.
I don't know the song. But it does sound like it would be an embarrassing song to hear.
Yeah.
Right side? How could this get stupider than it already is?
Hey, you kids want to be on fire?
Oh my god, that's from that piece!
Trust me, what you're seeing now is my normal state.
This is a Super Saiyan.
And this
Oh my god, it's Dragon Ball Z to One Punch? What the fuck?
Hate when that happens.
Oh, it's High School of the Dead.
One of them is in the booth with me right now, folks. He is leveling one of those glove devices at me now, and I believe he is about to electrocute me. I am currently wetting my pants.
One second, I just realized something. This is a little bit hard on your face, isn't it? That is fucking creepy.
Yeah.
I just saw the.
I'm touching myself tonight.
Why does that work so well with her? It really does with her character from the anime.
You look like an avocado had sex with an older avocado.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful day. Can't stop myself from smiling.
Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? There's no way that can be right!
I get it. You gave the man porn.
Wait, what?
What are you talking? Give up the boy. Nothing fair ever came out of the barrel of a gun.
Is this because you can only see one half of my face when I'm talking to him?
Harvey, where did you go? Two-Face is back and he looks super pissed.
Yeah. Because I'm Harvey Dent.
Nice try, Two-Face, but your tricks won't work on me. I'm the world's greatest detective.
He knows what happened to me, right?
Harvey, now you're...
Shut the fuck.
Holy shit, I've never seen that version of Ichigo.
Oh yeah, you didn't watch me. Oh, you mean me?
Oh, this must be his outro. Is that it? Holy crap, a lot of fan service there. Boobs and butts everywhere. There's actually a little bit more. I wonder if there's anything at the end. One punch. Nope. I thought there was something. Okay.
Yeah.
That was actually a lot funnier than I was expecting. Simple jokes sometimes work, and some of them were actually really really good and well made.
You gotta love those random reactions that suddenly pop up from something else.
That was fucking hilarious. I'm glad it was funnier than expected. Like, I thought I was going to have a couple laughs, because the next video I'm going to have you watch, and I don't know when I'm going to have it out for you guys, but we're going to attempt something in the next video called Try Not to Laugh.
Uh-oh.
Where we're actually going to not we can't laugh. I don't know what, but I'm going to do something where we penalize each other if we do. No! We're not hitting each other in the balls!
Okay.
This time. But heads up, that stuff will probably already be pre-recorded, so suggestions probably won't help. But I already have something in plan.
I thought you didn't.
I'm confused! Alright guys. By the way, I don't know if you've seen this, but I do a new outro now too, where I'll show you what it is. So in the next video, you'll do it with me. But comment down below things you guys want us to watch in the future. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, punch that like button and subscribe. I had a bubble in my mouth. Whoops. Subscribe for more.
I like you said you had a butt in your mouth.
Like it was a burp as I was talking. It was weird. Sorry. Okay. End of the video now. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you want more, check out the description below. Hope to see you guys in a later video. Also, have an awesome day.